Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change your Twitter ad settings to see sensitive content that are usually hidden. So let's get started. First, log into your account on your mobile or browser and then click on your profile and go to the settings option. Click on settings and privacy and here you have to search for privacy and safety option. By click on this, here you will see at the right side a panel will appear. Now click on content you see. By click on this, the first option you will see is display media that may contain sensitive content. So click the checkbox, check this and go to the search settings, the last option, and just turn off this hidden sensitive content. And that's it. You have successfully updated your X Twitter settings to view sensitive content. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.